Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you.
Well, it's nice that you are fine, that you're okay, that you are very happy today, okay? Well, let's going to start. Now, you are going to watch a video, okay? But first, I will write the day for today, okay? Today is November 15, 2020. Now, please watch the video. Then I will ask some questions about the topic, okay?
Phonics time. Andn blend. B, B, L, L. Together. Bl, bl, blade, blow. Feather. Br, br, bring, bridge.
Now, dear students, tell me, what do you watch in the video? What do you watch in the video? Tell me. You watch some consonants. Did you remember? For example, I see the consonant B. What else? L. Well done. Well done. Well, today you're going to learn about the consonant blends BL and BR. Okay? Now, dear students, let's going to talk about the objectives for today. First, you are going to learn to identify the blends as BL and BR and other examples using these consonants. For example, glove, blanket, brain, brush, etc. Then practice the pronunciation, practice the writing in several words such as blue, black, brown, brick, etc. Practice the listening comprehension too, and practice a tongue twister with the two consonant blends, okay? Let's go to start. As you can see here, BL, the sound is V. Look at my mouth. V. V.
V.
V.
V.
V.
V.
R.
L.
O.
L.
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 Look at my tongue. O.
L.
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 R.
L.
R. These together, the sound is bull.
B.
Bull.
B.
Bull.
B.
Look at my mouth. Look at my mouth. Look at my tongue. Bull. Bull.
B.
Practice. Bull.
B.
Bull.
B.
Bull.
B.
Bull. Where? The next. V. Again. V.
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 B.
V.
B.
V.
B.
R.
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 The blend sound is burr.
B.
Burr.
B.
Burr.
B.
Burr.
B.
Well done. Well done. It is not a problem if you can't do this sound, okay? Well, now I will show you some pictures using this sound, okay? Don't worry, don't worry. We are here to learn the pronunciation, okay? Don't worry, don't feel nervous. Now, dear students, look at this picture here. Look at this picture. We're continuing practice. First, listen, look at the pictures. And also pay attention with my mouth and my tongue, okay? in order then to practice the pronunciation. Block. Block. Just listen first, okay? Listen and look at the picture, okay? Block, 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 blanket, 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 brain, 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 brush, 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 blue, 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 brown, 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 black, 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 brick, 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 red, 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 blossom, blossom, blossom. Now, as you can see here in the picture, you have block, blanket, bra, bra, brain, bra, bra, brush, block, block, blue, bra, 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 brown, black, 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 bra, bra, brick, okay, bra, bra, bread, block, block, blossom. As you can see, in this vocabulary you have the sound BL and the sound BR, okay? Now, please, dear students, repeat after me, okay? Block,
Block.
blanket,
Blanket.
block,
Block.
blanket,
Blanket.
block, block, block,
Block. Block. Block.
blanket, blanket,
Blanket. Blanket.
brain, brain,
Brain. Brain.
brain, brain,
Brain. Brain.
brush, brush,
Brush. Brush.
brush, brush,
Brush. Brush.
blue, blue,
Blue. Blue.
brown, brown,
Brown. Brown.
brown, brown,
Brown. Brown.
black, black,
Black. Black.
black, black,
Black. Black.
brick, brick,
Brick. Brick.
brick, brick, brick,
Brick. Brick. Brick.
brick,
Brick.
red,
Red.
red,
Breath.
red,
Breath.
blossom,
Blossom.
blossom,
Blossom.
blossom,
Blossom.
blossom,
Blossom.
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 Now, dear students, I point to a picture and just tell me the pronunciation of that, okay? Of that picture. For example, I put the marker here, just a brown, okay?
Blue. Breathe. Black. Blanket. Block. Brain.
Brain,
Brain. Brush. Black. Brick. Brick.
bread.
Bread. Blossom.
Okay, pay attention, be careful, brush. Repeat, brush,
Brush.
brush,
Brush.
brush,
Brush.
brush,
Brush.
red,
Red.
red,
Breath.
red,
Breath.
Flush.
Red. Block. Blanket. Blue. Brown. Brick. Black. Brush. Brine. Break. Blossom.
For example, okay? BL, blah, blah, blah. You have here, according to the vocabulary you learn, blah, blah, blah,
Black. Black.
black, well done. Now, an example with BR, bra, bra, bra. Tell me.
Bra.
Bra, bra,
Bra.
bra. An example, one more thing, bra, bra.
Bra. Bra.
Brush.
Brush, well done, brush. Another example with blah, 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 blah,
Blah.
blah. Give me another example. Blah, blah.
Blanket.
Blanket, well done. We're continue working in the same way. Blanket. Now we are
Brick. Brick.
brick, 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 brick. Well done, well done. As you can see here, blah, blah, bra, bra. The pronunciation, okay? Bra, bra. Now please repeat.
Black.
Brush. Blanket.
Brick.
Well done, very good. You are doing a great job, okay? Now, we'll continue working with we'll continue classifying this word, okay? Like this, okay? Now, please, a volunteer for right here another word. Here and here. Come here. A volunteer. Come to the board. Okay. Wait a minute. Now you can go to the board and write another block. Well done. What is the pronunciation?
Block.
Block. Well done. Sit down. Thank you. Write please another example. Bread. Well done. What is the pronunciation?
Break.
Bread. Bread with D at the end. Okay, dear students. Now you should practice the vocabulary. I will wait a minute in order to work with another activity. Okay. Here. Now I give you different group of words in order to put in order this word, okay? For example, I give you the B, the R, the letter D, E, and A, and you put in order. You say, this is bread, okay? You got it? Do you understand? Okay. Now I give you some group of words in order to practice the vocabulary, okay? You have here 3 words. You have here 4 group of words. Then you have here another group of words. Please don't worry if you don't remember. Don't worry. So let me know, no more. Let me know. I will help you. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. One more. One more here and here. Okay? Now, dear students, you should put in order this word like my example on the board. Okay? But you put the words in order here on the table. Okay? Let's start, please, working. Start, please. This is for a group of words. This is for another word and something and the same, okay? Continue, please. Let's start. Work, please. Work. Put in order the words, please. Don't forget BR and BL. Bra. Boo. The song. Bra. Don't worry, continue working. Take your time. Continue with the last one. Now I give you an extra word, okay? And try to put in order, okay? Okay. Now, dear students, do you think that is correct or incorrect? Correct or incorrect? Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Let me check. Okay. Now, dear students, I want to listen to you talking about each of these words. Okay. For example, bread, brush, like this. Okay. Now, I point to the word and you tell me the pronunciation, okay?
Bread, brush, blank, black, blue, brown,
Brown, okay? This is brown.
Brown.
Repeat, brown.
brown,
Now the other students.
Blanket. Brain.
Brain.
Block. Blossom.
Again, blossom.
Brick.
Brick. Okay. The pronunciation is
Brain.
brain. You did a great job, my dear students. Now, we'll continue working with another activity. Okay? Well, wait a minute. Don't put together these words. Okay? Wait a minute, my dear students. We'll continue working. Now, I give you these pictures, okay? These pictures, and you should put in order according to the song. Bra, bra, bra. Bull, bull, bull. For example, this is
Blossom.
blossom. Blossom is in the first column or in the second column?
in the second column.
In the second column. Well done. We'll continue working like this, okay? I give you some of the, I give you here pictures in order to recognize the vocabulary, okay? Just watching the pictures, okay? 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, okay? Now I give you red. Wait a minute. Okay. How can I put it? Okay, it is not a problem here. If I put the piece of this in your finger, okay? Okay, it is. Sorry, my dear student, for doing this, but okay. 5 pictures, 5 pieces of 5 pieces. Wait a minute. It's too hot today. One, 2, 3. Don't feel nervous. Don't worry. Don't happen nothing. I help you because I don't know what happened with your hand. Okay. Come here, Kenny, and put in order here the pictures that are with the sun BR. Wait. In this part of the board. Or you can choose BR or BL. BR this part and BL. Wait a minute. Give more space here. Okay. So this is a block. Okay. This is This is the color
Blue.
blue, okay. Brick, okay, brick.
Blossom.
Blossom. Sit down, well, good job. Now stand up, Derek, and put in order the pictures, okay, according to the song. This is the color
Brown.
brown. This is the
Bruce.
brush, okay, brush.
Black.
Black.
Brain.
Red. And the last picture is, it is black, black, black. This is a black, black, blanket. Well done, blanket. Don't forget, this is a blanket. For example, when I go to sleep, I put a blanket in my body, like a blanket, okay? Well, dear students, I'm so happy today because you understand the song BR and BL. Bra, bra, repeat. Bra, bra, bra,
Bra.
blah, 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 blah.
La.
B,
B.
R, R, R,
R.
ra, ra,
La. La.
bra, bra, bra.
Bra.
B,
B.
L,
L.
O.
L.
Look at my tongue. O.
L.
Blah,
Blah.
blah,
Blah.
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 Now, please look at the pictures and tell me the vocabulary.
Brick.
Brick,
Brain.
Brain.
brain,
Brown.
Brain.
Brain.
bread,
Bruce.
Brush. Block.
Black.
Black.
Blue.
Blossom.
Blossom.
Blanket.
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 well done, good job. You are doing an excellent job. Now, my dear students, for continue working, look at this. Look at. This is a tongue twister. It's something that you have to read very quickly. For example, my example, bricks and blocks. Bricks and blocks, bricks and blocks, black, brown, and blue. There are black bricks, there are brown blocks, there are blue bricks too. Okay? Don't worry if you can talk like me. Don't worry, don't worry. Try to pronounce BR and BL very well, okay? Now a volunteer, Derek. Okay, Derek, come here. Come here and please read the tongue twister, okay?
Brick and block. Brick and block. Brick and block. Black, brown, and blue. Tier, air, black bricks. Tier, brown block. Tier, air, blue, green stock.
Two, okay, very good. Sit down, Derek. Stand up, Kenny. Come here and practice the tongue twister, okay?
Brick and block. Brick and blocks. Brick and block. Black, brown, and blue. T are black bricks. T are brown blocks. T are blue brick too.
Well done. It is so important to learn the pronunciation of the consonant blends, okay? Blah, blah,
Blah.
blah, 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 blah. Now together, students.
Brick and block. Brick and block. Brick and block. Black, brown, and blue. Tier are black bricks. Tier are brown block. Tier are blue bricks too.
Now, my dear students, I give you a worksheet. Here you write your name. Your pencil, okay, sorry. Is here your pencil. Write your name quickly. Write your name, and we're going to work with the final activity, okay? Okay. Now, in activity number 1, write the date. Write the date. The date for today is November 15th. The date. Well, dear students, now it is all. It is all 6. 6 here. 6. Okay. Now, dear students, in activity number 1, listen and complete. Okay. Picture number 1, blue. Blue. Complete. Right. Blue. Number 2, brick. Brick. Number 3, blossom. Tree. And the next, brown. Bread. Black. Blossom. Now, in the activity number 2, listen and write. Listen and complete the sentence, okay? Here is a blossom. Number 2, the brick is blue. The brick is blue. Number 3, this is a bread. Number 4, here is my blanket. Now, my dear students, in the last activity number 3, look at the pictures and classify BR words and BL. Look at your paper, and write the words, please. Take your time, don't worry, take your time. Please. Did you finish? Don't forget here, write the date. Okay, did you finish?
Yes.
Okay. Give me the worksheet. My dear students, did you enjoy the class for today? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. It is nice to work in this way, okay? Also, it is important to learn how the consonants are pronounced, okay? BR, BL, bra, blah. It is important to learn the pronunciation too, okay? Not just grammar, not just vocabulary. The pronunciation is so important, okay? Well, my dear students, this is all for today. I'm so happy today because I really appreciate your job. I can see that you work, you learn the vocabulary, you recognize the vocabulary, you can classify them, okay? Well, my dear students, it is all for today. Thank you so much. See you on the next class, okay? Bye-bye. Take care. Take care, my dear students.